What's poppin' again? It's Cali Sports since 2009. Got a lot of things poppin'. You know, the jerseys was cracking for a minute, but they kind of not cracking. But I still have to wear that Frisco, represent that Ronnie Lott, because that's what I like. I start off by showing you the polos. They active. They like 40 cuts. If you really want them, you know, that's something that you probably would have to step your game up on, player, because it's real out here. Then I also got the Blazers. There's something just out of sight, any color, anytime. If you know about these Blazer game, you should get at your boy 818-434-5544. I ain't missing. I'm just right here waiting for you to call. You know what I'm saying? It's something more like a personal shopper, and they really like, I need to do much more. I can always go to the Chucks. Super West Coast about it. Super West Coast. I mean, these is leather, the white ones. I mean, this ain't stuff that you just gonna roll up on at no times. Then I can go even more 2009 about it. Them dunks, you see them? These dunks on me. If your shoe game is right, you're gonna have a couple of these in the wardrobe. And the cool thing about these is I got chocolate little hoodies to go through with the zip down. They're the Pro 5s that you seen earlier. I stay with the Pro 5 everything because they're nice and thick. Necks is tight neck, and they stay nice and crispy, just like I want them. So if you don't know about the game ain't gonna know about you. Oh, and also Forces, the premium ones though. You see me, player? You got the white on top with the black trim around it with the white Nike, with the gray across it with that royal blue at the bottom. They're killing them out there. Killing them out there. And the cool part about it, the jump off. Once again, it's the great pullover. It's that pullover thing. So if you want to get at that, something like that, that's like 25, homie. You really got to have your major game up to be on that. Or if you just LA'd all the way up, the Jack Purcells, homie. These is the business. This is what is really West Coast out about it. You can just go ahead and be all you can be with all this. And once again, boom, with a white tee. Matter of fact, you probably can just do it the same way I'm doing. This is Frisco, baby, the Niners. Way back when. Love the Niners, you love the Niners, and everything is gravy. Cali Sports, 818-434-5544. Once again, Cali Sports, 818-434-5544. I'm at you, at your service at any time. Try to call me during the daytime, homie, because I'm all over the Southern Cal, even the Northern Cal. I represent the West Coast Cali Sports. You dig?